hearty welcome to all the viewers for the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about simple past tense. So past tense, first subdivision is simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Subject, just two items. Subject plus past form of verb or the second form of verb. Only two. Anything may be written before the subject, after the past form of verb. But in between nothing should come. If it comes, something else. So subject plus past form of verb is simple past tense. Let us see instances. They went to the park. They went to the park. See, they subject. Immediately we find second form of verb. Nothing in between. That is why it is simple past tense. Same thing, other examples also. She inaugurated the match. She subject, inaugurated, second form of verb or past form of verb. He hit the winning run. Hit. Same word for present tense, past tense and past participle. So it should be taken as second form of verb. He hit. Another example, you guided them properly. Subject plus past form of verb. Subject. So very clear, simple past tense will have subject plus past form of verb. So what are the indicators of simple past tense? Only two items. Subject plus past form of verb. In other tenses, there are some variations. Here nothing like that. Only past form of verb. So I like to sum up. Simple past tense is used for the action completed. Action is not going on. When it goes on, it is something else. For the action which is over, simple past tense is used for the completed action. So that is what simple past tense. Let us check the understanding of this tense by doing this simple exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Number 1, he dash throw the pen into the dustbin. So what will be the correct form of verb? Remember, we are dealing with simple past tense. The second form of verb is threw. T-H-R-E-W-E. T-H-R-E-W. Threw. Threw is a correct answer. Second one, she dash drink a cup of coffee. So the past tense of drink is drank. So correct answer is drank. Let us go to the third example. They dash bracket make it possible through continuous efforts. So make past tense is second form of verb is made. Made is the correct answer. Let us go to the fourth one. It may be anything, a bird. It dash bracket escape from the cage. So second form of verb is escaped. It escaped from the cage. So these are all simple exercises. So last question, which are the indicators of simple past tense? So many times we told only two items. Subject immediately followed by past form of verb. So that's all about this tense. Thank you.